If you're passionate about innovative gadgets and extraordinary tools, you've come to the right place. Join us as we explore brilliant tools that stand out with their unique designs and incredible functionalities. These gadgets are not just practical, they're revolutionary, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Get ready to discover tools that will completely transform your perspective. The DRILLEASE is a top-notch cordless drill designed for heavy-duty tasks like drilling ties. Weighing under 14 kilograms, it is significantly lighter than similar tools that weigh around 23 kilograms. With a fully charged battery, it can drill 120 holes, each reaching a depth of 15 centimeters in just 3 seconds. No need for hoses, fluids, or generators, making it ideal for projects on bridges or in tight tunnel spaces. Priced at $3,360, DRILLEASE is a robust, efficient solution for professionals seeking power and portability. The PURDY cleaning range is essential for paint enthusiasts who value tool longevity. From brush combs to roller scrapers, their tools make cleaning quick and effective. For brushes, rinse in water, use a brush spinner, then a comb to straighten bristles and store them safely. Rollers get similar care with roller cleaners and spinners. For oil-based paints, use the recommended thinner, then dry. PURDY's cleaning tools extend the life of your painting gear, ensuring readiness for the next project, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro. The MLT system represents a significant advancement in tile installation, perfect for floors, walls, and ceilings. It enables setting joints with a minimal thickness of 0.5 millimeters, a precision few competitors offer. With just 3 reusable elements, MLT is designed for efficient, high-quality work. Professionals can opt for an ergonomic gun that comes with nearly 1,000 MLT elements, housed in a durable plastic box, all for $800. This system is an ideal solution for those who require consistent, reliable results across multiple projects. The MILWAUKEE SDS Plus Dust Trap is a universal dust extraction system compatible with all SDS Plus drill bits. It is the first universal solution approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. This system doesn't require a vacuum and works seamlessly with drill bits up to 20 centimeters long. Designed for convenience and safety, the dust trap is a reliable tool for maintaining a clean workspace during drilling operations. Available for $23, it offers excellent value for professionals focused on efficiency and compliance. The STANLEY 32050 FATMAX Power Claw is a hybrid between an extension cord and a clamp, offering versatility and convenience. With a 15 amp capacity and a 91 centimeter cord length, it is ideal for tasks on ladders or workbenches. The rubber elements ensure secure attachment, even upside down. Weighing just 640 grams, the FATMAX Power Claw is a lightweight, reliable tool for any workspace. Priced at $25.5, it delivers practicality and safety, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. The WOLFCRAFT Triple Blade Edge Planer is designed for drywall professionals, offering a precise 35-degree edge in a single pass. Suitable for boards ranging from 9.5 to 12.5 millimeters in thickness, this planer combines efficiency with ergonomic design, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation. The product includes 3 easily replaceable blades, ensuring long-term usability. Priced at $41, this tool is a must-have for achieving flawless drywall finishes with minimal effort. The Titan PGD 3200X Post Driver is a versatile tool perfect for builders, event planners, and campground owners. It efficiently hammers fence posts, tent poles, road signs, and more, with interchangeable parts for different diameters. Featuring a 1.3 horsepower Honda engine and weighing 20 kilograms, it combines power and portability, making it ideal for solo work. This durable tool is priced at $1,738. The FESTOOL ISC240 is a cordless cutter designed for cutting insulating materials with precision. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms, it handles mineral wool and polyurethane foam boards effortlessly. With a cutting depth of 240 millimeters, it allows work directly on scaffolding without stops or guides. Priced around $930, it is an essential tool for efficient and accurate cutting. The HOLMATRO stack bags are compact lifting tools that function like a jack, providing a pressure of up to 12 bars. Capable of lifting loads up to 92.2 tons, these bags are stackable, allowing a lift height of up to 50 centimeters. Easy to use with a special control unit, they ensure precise lifting and loading. HOLMATRO offers 4 models, making them suitable for various heavy lifting tasks. The COLDENE ISO shipping container castors are essential for efficient container unloading and loading. Supporting cargo from 6 to 60 tons, these caster wheels do not require power tools for installation. They provide adequate height for container maintenance and offer additional convenience with optional tow bars. As the global container fleet grows, these casters become indispensable for smooth operations. The BLADECLEAN system simplifies and speeds up the process of cleaning saw blades, ensuring their longevity. Effective for blades up to 30 centimeters in diameter, it prevents resin buildup and dust collection. By avoiding confusion between dirty and blunt discs, it eliminates unnecessary sharpening. Priced at $100, BLADECLEAN is an affordable and efficient solution for maintaining cutting tools. The PLAZMAX E-Tap is a comprehensive table and tapping arm set designed for workshops engaged in regular tapping tasks. With a working radius of 1.3 meters, the detachable arm allows versatile installation in different areas. The electronic system provides torque control, while the touchscreen enables precise adjustment of depth, thread pitch, and cutting speed. 2 thread ranges, M3 to M20 and M6 to M30, are available. The WOODPECKERS Saw Gauge 2.0 is an essential tool for woodworkers, ensuring precise cuts with any saw. Compatible with American, European, and Chinese saws, it handles measurements up to 51 centimeters with an extension. The gauge is praised for making saw work easier and more accurate, setting a new standard in woodworking tools. It is available for $240. The FLEXTOOL POWERVIBE FPV 45 concrete vibrator combines efficiency and comfort with its lightweight design of 17.7 kilograms. Powered by an all-electric motor, it is perfect for indoor use, plugging into a standard 240-volt European outlet. The device operates without unnecessary smoke, noise, or vibration, making it an excellent choice for comfortable and clean operation. It is priced at $1,977. The MILWAUKEE M12 BLPRS pruning shear offers impressive power and convenience with its cordless design, allowing effortless cutting of branches up to 32 mm thick. Compatible with Milwaukee's M12 batteries, it can deliver up to 1,000 cuts on a single charge. Weighing only 1.5 kilogram, including the battery, this tool provides easy maneuverability for extended use. Its portability and efficiency make it a great option for landscaping and gardening tasks. Priced at $440, this premium tool combines durability, precision, and Milwaukee's reliable performance. The GutterSense tool simplifies gutter cleaning by effectively removing leaves, branches, and debris. Equipped with a telescopic handle and clamp, it offers a hassle-free solution for maintaining clean gutters without the need for ladders. Lift the tool, pull the cable, and it grabs the debris with ease. Priced at $34, handle not included, the makers suggest using a broom handle as a convenient alternative. GutterSense is an affordable, practical solution for keeping your gutters clean and functioning properly. The OLFA 240B utility knife from the X-Design Hyper range is a versatile tool, known for its segmented blade and special protrusion. It's designed for various tasks like opening paint cans, working with fasteners, and removing sockets. The easy blade change mechanism and one-touch locking system add to its convenience. Priced at $16, this knife offers exceptional value with its durable construction and multifunctional capabilities, making it a handy addition to any toolbox. The Pyre Professional Clamps by Quick provide one-handed control and versatile functionality as both clamps and spreaders. Built from steel and glass fiber reinforced nylon, they deliver up to 3,000 newtons of clamping force. The P Mini Quick model, with a clamping force of 750 newtons and a depth of 55 millimeters, is perfect for working with wood, plastic, or glass. Priced at approximately $23, these clamps are reliable and efficient, making them an essential tool for precise work. Goodbye for now. Which of these brilliant tools will you be adding to your collection? Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite find? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more amazing tools.